Assalamu alaikum everyone, and first of all help me reach 100k, okay? And the yesterday video got almost 1500 people to watch on Pepe, and people are saying that I'm pretty much the channel that is actually telling the most accurate results. Thank you for that. And here I am again, another day. It's Friday, and it doesn't stop. The show keeps going on. So there's one video we talked about in detail 8 days ago. This was 8 days ago, and it's actually called the week plan is playing out. You can see week plan is playing out, and I want to take you back here if you're new, because I always like to take you back to the old video so that you may know why you need to follow this channel. And basically, don't even forget to press the bells, because you do get new notification instantly. All right, if you're into Pepe and you need a notification, do make sure you're pressing the bells when you're subscribing. You get the notification straight on your phone. So let's look at this. Done. Okay, what I was expecting is already play out. The second step is pending, and what's pending is basically this wick must be taken out as well. Okay, this has been taken out. It's time we even probably take this again, and then finally boom, push up. Okay, you have 1-2 wicks, maybe take even this one out, and then finally push up, take that wick out as well. And this is where we're going to see the real test. Okay, November has already started, and that's all. That is pretty much all. And boy oh boy, isn't that exactly what really happened if you go back 8 days ago. Today's 10, so basically 2nd of November is around here, right? And if I zoom in here, look, one wick, I said take this out and then go back up and take that out as well. And what happened? We took it out, and I ended the video telling you the real test is going to be here, right over there. Why? If you zoom out again, and I'm not from the future, but this is technical analysis. And did you know that I have a 19 hours of course content teaching all of these things and how we do these things? So it's education. It's not magic. It's not anything. It's education, and it's still for sale. For people who want to learn, message me on Twitter, because my Twitter is actually Adam Coins and _. So if you do end up ordering it today, I'm going to give you a discount if you want to do that, by the way. I'm just going to be kind to you. Now here we are, all right, on the daily time frame. One touch, 2, 3, one here, down and down, and basically you are coming up here. And if you look at this thing going on, this is another wick. Oh boy, you have another wick up here, you have one wick down there as well. So this candle is very influential. It's a little bit influential. Now, yesterday what happened is there was a lot of stop loss hunt here. If you notice, took the stop and you pumped up like down. It really went to the upside. So we didn't want to see Pepe coming down there, but this was just a wick, and this was a stop loss, which is normal in crypto. Now, at this point of time, what I want to see for Pepe is the following, and this is what I want you to listen to very carefully. And I want this video to get to as many people as possible, so the more you like, the better it's going to be. The more positive comments are going to drop today. Amazing. Actually, do one thing. Just drop a heart, okay? Make a heart emoji and drop it in the comment. That's all. So what I want you to understand is, if Pepe comes up again and take this out and retest this, or probably doesn't retest. Now, I'm not sure if it's going to retest or not. But if you end up breaking above this line for the very first time, you are looking for Pepe to come up to this technical target of 17,814. By how everything is breaking, we may see Pepe breaking as well. But keep in mind, Pepe has not broke above here. This is a resistance, and as far as I'm concerned, you have failed to cross that resistance on the 4-hour time frame. Clear rejection right there. It's a very clear rejection. You haven't broken it out. Doesn't really mean you cannot still break above, but when you break, get ready for a next technical target, which is 17 or even up to 20. So it's going to be between 20 and 17, this box right here. And that's it for the update. Do make sure you're helping me to get to 100k after these videos, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.